Oh, it smells so bad right now.
Dude.
Like, I don't know. What is this like? Are there more pungent ones? I don't know. Like, this stinks.
When I was cutting that one was way more fragrant. Like, that one was the most fragrant of the bell peppers we've used since we've started doing this, to be honest.
Yeah, I can smell them from over here.
Oh, yeah.
That's not fair.
Yeah, but I can also smell my tomatoes.
They don't have an aroma.
Shut up.
All right.
Dude.
And it's time to play What's in Your Fridge?
What's in your fridge? Yeah, yeah, yeah. What's in your fridge? Yeah, yeah, yeah.
It's time to find out what's in your fridge on the show.
Look how happy Thor looks.
Yeah.
Arms folded. Well, last time we played last week, you lost all 3 rounds.
It's ridiculous.
That's never happened.
Wasn't good.
It's ridiculous.
All 3 rounds.
I tried to take chances. You know,
why?
I like
risk taker, huh?
I enjoy gambling. So
you're gambling.
The thrill you get when you stay at 12 and the dealer busts in blackjack, you can't match until I played What's in Your Fridge and ask if you have soy sauce in your fridge.
What?
Yeah,
crazy.
that's a crazy thing.
Yes, we're going to play What's in Your Fridge, where you're going to call us right now at 877-570-1053, and we're going to guess different items in your fridge. If we get one wrong, if something we guess is not in your fridge, we have to eat our least favorite food.
I just got the chills.
She says that every time.
Like I got a shock through my body.
Yeah.
And like,
you're going to be okay.
I have the chills.
You're going to be okay. Emily's least favorite food is cilantro. Emily hates cilantro like no other. Man.
Yeah,
It's
I mean,
crazy.
I could, find a speck of it in something, and that would make the entire food taste just like that.
That's how I am about bell peppers.
Yeah.
I can, if it's cooked in whatever, in anything, I can taste it immediately. Yeah. If it's in your like marinara or chili or whatever, I go, oh, there's bell peppers in this. I can taste it in anything. So I have bell pepper in front of me, green. Then Sky has tomatoes in front of her. Nice, juicy, chunky tomatoes.
Yes, they're so fragrant. I'm not
fragrant. There's no aroma to tomatoes. Get out of here.
Well, when you dislike them, there clearly is, because I can smell them, and no, thank you.
And Thor hates coconut. Ugh. He has a bag of shredded coconut in front of him that he enjoyed 3 times last week.
Oh yeah,
still in your teeth?
Yeah, I hate it. I hate the texture. I hate the taste. Honestly, it's probably the only thing I don't like. Other than the sriracha, like I don't know what else I would. I hate it.
Oh my god.
Okay, calm down.
All right, here we go, you guys. Be ready for this. Let's get our first contestant on the line. Let's talk to P1 Noah. Noah, you are up in What's in Your Fridge. What's up, Noah?
What's up, man? How you guys doing?
We're good, man.
Hey.
All right, we're going to ask you a lifestyle. We get one lifestyle question that doesn't have to do with food.
Yeah.
We can ask that first, and then we're going to go around asking what's in your fridge. We're going to start with Emily this week. Emily, you get the first lifestyle question for Noah.
Noah.
Yes.
Do you have any kids in the house?
I do not.
Okay. Okay.
Interesting.
Okay, that is interesting. All right, Emily, that means you are up first with what's in your fridge.
All right, Noah. Do you have any butter in your fridge?
Butter, man?
I do not have any butter in my fridge.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
I did not see that coming. I did not see that coming. No butter?
I do not have butter.
You're not the butter man.
What's wrong with you?
Do you ever have
the
butter?
man.
I used to have butter, but I went on a massive diet and I never went back.
Good for you, Noah.
Noah, keeping it
Good
tight.
for Noah.
Emily thought she was playing it safe. Going with the butter.
Oh my god.
No butter. That means Emily.
Not in the beginning. That means it's going to be about the whole time.
Gotta eat cilantro.
That sucks for you.
It just kept flying at me.
Now you got to pick off a couple of sprigs here. You know, you can't just. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that.
Oh God, that's gross.
It's a lot.
That is a lot,
Yeah,
actually. I'm
right.
like worried for
It's
you.
gonna-
You're freaking out. You're
It's going to
freaking
get
out.
in my teeth.
Oh, so
Yes,
much
it
in
will.
your teeth.
That's what cilantro does.
I honestly, I will chew it first. I'll be a good sport, but I got it. I mean, I might throw up.
Well, yeah, you can't do it.
Yeah, you can't
do
just
what Sky
drink
did.
water right away.
I'm not.
You can't do what Sky did.
I'm not.
We remember what she did.
I'm not a cheater.
Okay.
I didn't cheat.
Here we go. Emily has to eat cilantro. Go for it. Oh, she's putting it in. She's chewing.
Oh, the heaving.
The
started.
heaving immediately.
Oh,
really?
Oh, wow.
I mean, listen.
Oh,
Like I don't like cilantro. It's just
oh.
not going to make me throw up.
Oh, she is turning a weird color.
Oh, yeah, that
okay,
is odd.
that is very.
What's
Is that
happening
a
to you right
purple
now?
color? What is she doing?
What is going on?
Oh my god.
Are you okay?
I can't. It's the gas. Like,
Are you crying?
No, I can't. Like,
You're not eating monkey brains.
Yeah.
I mean,
I'd rather.
You'd rather eat monkey brains.
Okay,
I think-
Rather eat monkey brains.
All right, so next week, monkey brains for Emily.
That was.
Oh my god! I almost threw up. I literally almost.
I
threw up.
see your eyes are like
I really did.
fluttering.
I hope you don't lose again.
I.
Because that
I hope she does.
that did not go well for you. At
Oh my
all.
god.
All right.
That was scary.
Let's get our next contestant. Let's go to pre-1 Christina. Christina, you are now up in What's in Your Fridge. What's up, Christina?
Oh, how's it going?
How's it going with you? All right. Sky is now going to ask you a lifestyle question. She's the worst at this, by the way.
You don't know.
And then we're going to find out something about you.
Okay.
Christina. Let me see. Let me get a good one. Christina, what kind of car do you drive?
How is that going to tell us anything
Why does she do
about
this?
what she eats?
Why
You
does
don't know.
she do
Wait
this?
for the answer.
What are you talking
Wait
about?
for the answer.
Why
You
don't
don't
you
know.
understand this?
You don't know.
All right, Christina, what kind of car do you drive?
Well, because I got a really good deal. not out of preference. Can I just say that? So I have a Hyundai Sonata hybrid.
Does that tell you everything you need to
Yep,
know, Sky?
I got it.
Oh, you're good.
Yes.
You're good.
Well, it tells me that she hates her car.
I mean, they kind of. I've seen them. They're not bad. They're nice
Oddly
cars.
embarrassed.
Very embarrassed. Very embarrassed.
I didn't think it was that bad, Christina. All right, Sky, go for it. I hope that helps you because you're up first.
Okay, Christina, the Hyundai Sonata driver. Do you have eggs in your fridge?
Yes, of course.
I was feeling eggs too.
Yeah, well, because of the Hyundai Sonata.
Yeah,
it's
Hyundai
like
Sonata.
Screams
You drive a
eggs.
Sonata. You love eggs.
and then you make an
Screams.
omelet.
Screams eggs.
Yep.
Thor, you are up.
All right, Christina, do you have mayo in your fridge?
Oh.
Didn't even get to finish.
Yeah.
Oh, mayo is always tricky because there's a love and a hate for mayo.
Yeah.
Yeah,
a
but she
camp that
drives the
doesn't like it.
Sonata.
Yeah.
Oh, come
Yeah.
on.
Yeah.
Yep.
So because she drives that Sonata,
Right. Process it.
is she not a tomato fan or like ketchup? Ooh. I'm gonna roll the dice and say ketchup. Okay, Christina, do you have ketchup in your fridge?
Yeah, but only because of my daughter, not me. But yeah.
Wow.
Big ups to your daughter.
Okay.
Not
all right.
because
all right.
of the Sonata.
All right, it did throw me off.
Yeah.
Emily, how's that cilantro
not
taste
good.
in your mouth?
Good.
Okay, get it together.
Okay. You drive a Sonata. Everybody knows this. You
Yeah.
love mustard.
Common knowledge.
Yes.
Do you have mustard in your fridge, Christina?
I do. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh my
Okay.
God.
Survival.
Survival.
Back over to you, Sky.
I think we're overlooking a big part of this Sonata here. It's a plug-in hybrid. So,
No, it's not. It's not a plug-in.
In your
It's just
face.
a
It's
hybrid.
just a hybrid. It's just a hybrid. Point
Just a
still
hybrid.
still stands, Christina. Do you have carrots in your fridge?
I do because my dog loves them.
Oh, my dog loves them too.
Wow.
Okay.
That was a risky one, man.
Well, I thought,
That was risky.
she's all granola with the hybrid.
All right, back over to you, Thor.
All right, Christina. We're
my
staying with daughter. We're not going Sonata.
That was a giveaway, by the way. That was a freebie.
Do you have yogurt in your fridge?
She just bought some yesterday. So.
You're wild with your guesses.
You're a crazy
You're
man.
wild.
Oh, it feels good.
Crazy.
I don't know why I'm thinking this.
Oh God, Eddie.
Is it the Sonata?
It may be. Christina,
Yes.
do you have pickles in your fridge?
No.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Eddie! Eddie, no pickles!
Oh no!
You took a shot.
Oh, Christina!
You took a shot.
Woo!
I have cucumbers. Does that count?
No,
No.
No, unfortunately.
No. Oh, Christina.
This stinks so bad.
Oh, Eddie.
This to me is like rotten fish.
Oh, wow.
It's so gross to me.
It's another level.
Ugh.
Monkey brains?
Yeah.
No, see, I'm not dramatic like this. I'm not going to enjoy this. I am now going to eat green bell pepper,
Oh.
which is not as good as the red, you guys say.
No,
I don't
it's
even know.
sweet.
It's all the same to me.
I don't
No,
know.
red's better.
It's all the same.
Oh.
Go.
Okay. All right, I gotta psych myself up. Here we go. This is too big of a chunk. Cut it smaller next
I
time.
did cut them bigger this time.
Calm
That
down.
was not cool.
Wow. Oh my God, he can't do it. He can't do it.
Oh no!
Why is this time doing that?
Breathe through it, bro. Breathe through it. Okay, or maybe don't. Just plug your nose. Oh God.
Oh my God.
Oh whoa.
Ooh, oh my God, that was a whole range of feelings and thoughts right there.
Get down.
Like
Oh,
you got it. And clear.
The juices. Oh, that was horrific.
oh my God, look at him.
Let me pass out.
All right.
That was bad.
We did it.
I don't know where I'm at right now. I'll be
Okay.
honest with you. I'm sort of blacking out. Oh, God.
From a bell pepper.
That was bad. All right, let's
Eddie.
get our final contestant.
Dying.
Let's go to Pew and Megan. Megan, you are now up in What's in Your Fridge. What's up, Megan?
Hi, how are you guys?
I'm bad. I'm going to be honest with you. I'm bad. I did not like
Green bell
that.
peppers suck.
Dude, thank you.
Oh, wow.
And there's something like that's how raw it is.
Yeah.
Like cooked bell pepper, I think I can handle way better than this.
Oh, really?
This is-
Oh,
Eddie, you got to do the yellow ones to ease yourself in. Those are the most mellow.
somebody
They
do
all
that
taste- they
next
all
time.
taste-
Somebody do that.
I don't know what's happening. All right, Thor, you're up. You get the lifestyle
Okay.
question for Megan, and please make it better than Sky's.
Megan, do you have kids?
I do not.
All right.
Interesting.
All right. All
Thor.
right.
You're up first.
All right, M-Dog.
M-Dog.
Do you have cheese in your fridge?
I do.
Okay.
I was nervous.
That was crazy. First
Sweet Megan.
Oh, Megan.
Are you a butter lady? Do you have butter in your fridge?
Of course I have
Thank
butter
you.
in my
Thank
fridge.
you. Thank you for saying that.
Ooh, man.
Emily?
Since she said, of course, to the butter, I'm going to guess that Megan is also an egg lady. Megan, do you have eggs in your fridge?
I do have eggs in my fridge.
Oh, God.
Ooh. Okay, Sky?
Okay, since we have butter, I don't believe we have any lactose issues. So, Megan,
Sky.
do you have milk in your fridge?
Yes, I do. And lactate milk.
Wow.
Just in
Does
case.
have lactose issues.
Double
Okay.
whammy.
Just in case.
All right,
Double
back over
whammy.
to you, Thor.
All right, Megan, I'm going crazy.
Oh, God.
Do you have olives in your fridge?
What
Why
the?
does he do
I
that?
do.
Oh, my God. Oh, my God.
I almost want to give you a bonus point. I almost want to give you a bonus point.
That's
How does he
insane.
do it?
That's insane.
He hit a 20.
I'm feeling insane right now because
What are
I'm
you
going
doing?
somewhere that I think is right. I'm on the right path,
Uh-oh.
What are you doing?
but I
What are you doing?
Oh, God.
listen.
It's
she's
the bell
got-
pepper talking right now.
I know I'm lost.
You're all
I'm
hopped
lost,
up.
but I think I got this.
What?
Megan, do you have wine in your fridge?
I do.
I found it, Megan.
Okay.
I found it.
Oh,
Okay, Emily, over to you.
That was wild.
I know.
wow.
Okay. Megan,
Sweating.
Yeah.
do you have ketchup in your fridge?
Of course.
Okay. Over to you, Sky. Getting risky.
Oh, she's sweating.
Oh, is she gonna get risky too?
She's sweating. She's wearing a
everybody
she's
getting
wearing a
crazy?
polo and she's sweating. Why is she wearing a polo?
I don't know. I was
I
wondering
don't
the same thing.
2007 cold.
Because it's left over from the golf tournament. Okay. What do you want? What do you want from me? You know I can't throw things away.
All right.
Okay. This is crazy. Megan. Megan with no children, Megan. Do you have any sort of bubbly or sparkling water type of drink in your fridge?
I love me some bubbly.
Oh, okay.
Whoa!
Most chicks without kids do. I just thought I went.
Wow.
Random statement.
Wow.
Over to you, Thor.
Okay.
Oh, Megan.
Oh my God.
You know kids, but everyone loves a PB&J. Do you have jelly in your fridge?
Ooh, yes.
Oh my God, Thor, you're a psychopath, bro. Wow.
Loaded is this fridge?
I don't know.
Dude!
Eddie's panicking now. Eddie's panicking.
All right, Megan. Do you currently have lettuce in your fridge?
I do have lettuce in my fridge.
Oh my God!
Okay.
Oh my God! Over to you, Emily.
Okay. All right. Well, you like a PB&J? Do you also like a deli meat sandwich? Do you have any lunch meat in your fridge?
I do.
Oh, wow. This is a wild one. Sky?
All right. We got the lettuce. Megan.
Uh-oh.
Single, bubbly, drinking lettuce Megan.
Uh-huh.
Do you have salad dressing in your fridge?
Well, duh.
Okay.
Oh!
All right.
She's got
Way
a
to
loaded
work that
fridge.
out. Way to work that out.
All right.
You idiot.
Back over to Thor.
Thor!
Okay. Who knows? But I'm going to throw something out there.
What?
I don't think it's that crazy, but cream cheese.
Oh!
Yes, I have cream cheese.
Oh my God, Megan!
Your risk-taking this time
You're insane, dude.
is on another level.
I'm on a roll. It's like when you're hot. I don't want to leave the table.
Wow.
I don't want to leave
Hot
the
hand,
table.
hot
I'll keep
hand.
guessing.
Damn.
All right. So, Megan, you clearly like salads. You got salad dressing, you got lettuce. Megan, do you have tomatoes in your fridge?
I do, Eddie.
Oh, Megan, I'm going to kiss you.
Oh my God, Megan!
How long do you food shop for?
This is unbelievable. This is like going to Whole Foods. All right.
Whoa.
Emily.
Uh-uh.
Back up, girl.
I won't go.
You back
I
up,
won't
girl.
go.
What?
All right, Megan. Do you have any hot sauce in your fridge?
Yes.
Oh, that pause was scary.
That was crazy.
Could have driven a truck through
That
that.
was crazy.
Sky, back to you.
Sticking with our salad
This is
team.
the longest run yet.
I know.
Megan, you got any carrots in that fridge?
Oh, Sky, I do not.
Why, Megan? Why? Why don't you have carrots? You have the lettuce. You have the dressing. Why don't you have
I
carrots?
hate carrots on my salad.
Yeah.
I threw them
Let me
out.
just-
They were
hey.
bad.
I hate them.
Let me just put the coconut away real
Good
quick.
for you, Thor.
Thank you.
Toss
You
this
survived.
cilantro out.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Shove this bell pepper right up your egg.
No, Eddie, that's not what we do. We have a trash can.
Here we
right
go.
there.
Sky gotta eat a tomato. Sky gotta eat a tomato. Sky gotta eat a tomato. Here we go,
Hey,
Sky.
Hey.
It's a big chunk.
Oh, God, why'd you cut these so big, Emily?
Yeah, you did.
That's a big chunk.
That's not cool.
That is
That's
a
so
big
messed up.
It's
chunk.
kind of hard to cut a tomato with a plastic knife, so
Oh, totally.
You're fine.
Yeah,
You're
well-
fine.
All right, here we go, Sky.
You're fine.
You gotta eat a tomato. Oh, that's the juices.
Shut
Big
up.
chunk.
Look at it.
Shut up.
Look at it.
I don't want to.
All right, eat it. Chewy. Oh, jeez.
that shit.
Oh,
No
no.
trick till you swallow.
No. Get her down.
Look at her,
What happens to her face, man?
scrunches it up. It makes her head look smaller somehow.
Ew.
Oh, then the nice cold
I like
coffee.
when she shakes her,
I know.
she shakes her
Like a
handshake.
full body dry heat.
Like she's Michael J. Fox or something.
Uh-oh.
That was weird. Sky. Oh, you spilled on your lip.
She's got coffee on her white shirt.
A white polo, legit, right in the middle. Like, right smack dab in the middle.
If you wouldn't be so dramatic about it.
Well, if I didn't have to eat a food I freaking hate.
Listen, we'll go into the bathroom during the break and I'll dab some water on that.
You're not dabbing
really
water
creepy.
on my
Thor,
boobs.
that was very
That was
impressive,
awesome.
man.
wow.
Last time you were 0 for 3. This time you're 3 and 0.
You know, it's like gambling. It all evens out,
Sometimes,
Eddie.
you know,
It all evens out,
sometimes, you know.
man.